It's Princess Dice time to shine on your timeline. So I already know what you're thinking. What is going on with her hair? Exactly. It's a mess. So today I want to introduce you the Holy Grail for all curly hair. I mentioned it a little bit in my last video. You want to get a spray bottle. Fill it about 3/4 of the way up with water. It's like right here. So this is all water. And then next you want to put in the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I put in quite a bit. So I put in quite a bit of that. And then I want to take any kind of oil, honestly. I'm using the Exquisite oil. I'd pump about 10 squirts of the Exquisite oil into your spray bottle with your water and the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I put in about 1/5 of the spray bottle of the As I Am leave-in conditioner. About 10 squirts of oil. I use the Exquisite oil. And then mix it all up. So I know you see how nappy this hair is and how tangly. So let's show you how it works. So basically just spray all over the hair. Okay, now that the hair is nice and wet, you just take a brush and brush through it. Okay, so from there you're back to new.
I'ma blow your mind. I'ma show